Hi everyone, hope you're good, hope you're well. So this week our topic will be linguistic perspectives on managing in the multinational. English as the global lingua franca and language diversity. Okay, so we'll be looking at linguistic perspectives on managing in the multinational, paying a particular focus on English as the global lingua franca, the global language, and of course, what it implies for language diversity. Um, Now, this week we do have a bit of reading to do. This week we have four case studies. This is the first one. Case study one is called Language and Globalization, Englishnization at Rakuten. This is a case study about a firm based in Japan, a Japanese firm, where the CEO, Mr. Hiroshi Mikitani, decided to implement an Englishnization policy. So, whereby English became the lingua franca, the official language of this Japanese firm. So we'll look at a couple of things in there. I want you to read that and please answer these questions. There are 5 questions to answer. Remember how we answer questions every week. Write them down, type them up. Okay. First question is this: was Englishnization a good idea for Rakuten? What are the costs/benefits of such a policy? The second question is, what are Mikitani's motivation for issuing the Englishnization policy? The third question, analyze the survey results in Exhibit 3. So you will see Exhibit 3 when you read it, when you read the case study. So look at Exhibit 3, analyze the survey results in Exhibit 3. How are employees experiencing the mandate? And what differences do you see? Our fourth question is, what differences determine whether employees embrace or reject the language stipulation? So, for instance, the language stipulation given in this case study, and what determines whether employees embrace or reject the language stipulation. And of course, the fifth question, the final question for this particular case study is, what are the effects of Englishnization on Rakuten? Should Mikitani continue with Englishnization? If he does continue, what improvements should Mikitani make? Okay, so those are your questions from your case study one. Now we have two other case studies. They're shorter. The second one is, what's your language strategy here? It's a Harvard Business Review case study by Steidon Neely and Stephen Kaplan. And you have one question to answer for this. Use the EPG model from week 6. So in week 6, we talked about the EPG model: ethnocentricity, polycentricity, geocentricity. Use that model from week 6 to design a language strategy for Rakuten. And then this is our third case study: Global Business Speaks English. And here we have 2 questions. First question is, why do global firms speak English? And the second question is, how can companies anticipate and plan for inevitable challenges and resistance when adopting an English-only policy? And then our final case study is this: what's the best way to communicate on a global team? And of course, we just have one question to answer. What's the best way to communicate on a global team? Okay, so think about it. Okay, so that's all we have for this week. Just read, study, and answer the case studies. So yeah, I'll see you in class. Have a good week. Shaisha, bye for now. Odabo, bye. See you.